Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to number 84 Hanover Drive. Set on 1,299 square metre block of land, a sprawling low set. But what makes this one special is the bushland backdrop. Life becomes less stressful when you come home to this every day.
We felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. My dear friend.
Well, check this out. You have 5 bedrooms, but the master ensuite is exceptionally large. You have 5 car accommodation. You have the double garage, the boat port, and the 6x6 tri-steel shed. But check this kitchen out. It's just awesome. It's a place with nothing to do but just enjoy.
We found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat